So this is a baldcypress. It's a conifer. It is a really big tree. One of the biggest trees down here in Alabama. They usually grow in the swamplands, but this one's growing out in the dry. So baldcypress is a conifer. It is not an evergreen though, because it's got its namesake, baldcypress. It loses its leaves every year. So here's a look at the seed cones. They're little balls, little green balls right now, but when in autumn they will turn brown and get woody and open up and disperse the seeds. I'll get you a good look at the leaves. Little spindly fern-like structured leaves with very tiny little leaflets on a red woody stem, and the bark is shallow fissured, and in some places kind of hairy and wiry. But this is usually a wetland species, and it usually puts out these structures, columns from the ground that they use to mess up your lawnmower and bust your blades. No, but really they put out these knees. They have a scientific name like nematomeres or something like that, but here in Alabama we just call them knees. And the knees are little woody type structure, column-like structures that come up out of the ground all around the tree that are protruding up from the roots. It's supposed to penetrate over the top of the water to get oxygen to the roots in a swampy setting, but you can see this one's growing in a pretty dry area, so it's had no need to produce knees. But that's another distinguishing feature of the baldcypress, is the knees. And if I can get a video of a baldcypress in its natural habitat in the swamplands, I will, so that I can show you those knees growing out of the ground. But anyway, that's a good look at the baldcypress. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.